Hello to all my celestial brothers and sisters. Welcome to the Frequency Connection. Today we're going to discuss the frequency of your desires, how to attract what you want. For those of you familiar with the great Nikola Tesla, I do believe that he provided us all the secret, basically the secret to the universe. His quote, "If you want to find the secret of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." I truly believe in the power of prayer, but if you ever find yourself in a difficult situation, I want you to revert back to this slide and meditate on it. When we look at vibration, you have to understand, you have to accept that everything vibrates. It is a scientific fact. The chair you're sitting in, the desk you are writing on, everything vibrates at a specific frequency. You are a vibrational creature of God, but more specifically, you have the power to alter your vibrational frequency through the process of your emotions. This is God working through us. Our imagination is our connection to the source, to God, the life principle. The ability to unlock any desire that you hold in your heart. Thoughts become things. God does not discriminate whether you focus on lack or desire of abundance. Your thoughts, backed by emotions, are transferred to the screen of space, which is also called your life. The source connection, it's not hard. The source connection is no harder than sitting quietly for several minutes and allowing the mind to relax. By focusing on your breathing for a minute or two can help put you into this state of being. Our energy, where thoughts go, energy flows. Where do you want your energy to go? Lack, abundance, love, joy, despair, pain, hurt, vibration. As you think about what it is you want or don't want, and then feel the emotions that go along with that mental image, you are now beginning to align your vibrational frequency towards that. So that frequency, as you feel the emotions of that image, you will begin to align that frequency of a vibrational match that connects you to that mental image. And as the great Albert Einstein said, it is not philosophy, it is physics. You must now tune in to your station. If you think of your desires or your outcome as a radio station, and for you younger people, the kind where you would have to go through static to get to your channel. Some of these stations play rock, some pop, some country, etc. Once you determine the outcome you are desiring, that is the station, you must begin to think, feel, and expect that outcome. You are now in tune with that frequency. So what station are you tuned into? Are you tuned into lack and despair? Do you feel that God is punishing you for something you don't even think you did? No doubt, having to overcome current life struggles to all of a sudden try to tune yourself into abundance and prosperity can be one of the greatest challenges of your life. This must become your daily habit. So if you are currently in a situation that struggle and lack is all around you, trust me, I feel you. It is one of the hardest things to put yourself in a vibrational frequency that is in alignment with God's riches when there is nowhere to be found. This is why it's critical to find some time each day, 15 to 30 minutes preferably, of complete and absolute silence and solitude. Quiet the mind and allow your imagination to picture the life you desire. So find your quiet place each day. Wake up early before everyone else. Go sit in your car in an isolated area. Maybe go to a library, just someplace you can sit quiet and comfortably and alone and then spend a few minutes doing some breathing exercises, a few deep breaths, as much as you can inhale, and then exhale. And then once you are relaxed, allow your imagination to put into place that which you desire. Remember, like attracts like. You become that which you think about most. So we're going to do a few exercises. So these are your daily affirmations. If your goal is love, then an affirmation could be, I am vibrating at the frequency that attracts more love into my life. If it's finances, I am vibrating at the frequency that provides me financial peace with a surplus of income each and every month. If it's success, I am vibrating at the frequency that aligns me with the opportunities to become successful and financially abundant. If it's happiness, I am vibrating at the frequency that attracts more joy and happiness into my life. If it's a job, I am vibrating at the frequency that aligns me with the opportunities to provide my worth and advance my career, in which I am divinely compensated for. Remember, you are the creator. Whatever it is you desire can be yours. You must give that image your energy, feel the emotions of having it, and act in accordance daily of having that desire. And remember to dream big. Thank you for this opportunity to share with you my presentation. I ask if for any reason you found this to be enlightening, helpful, please, if you can, like, and then make sure you subscribe. And then I will make more content to help us all achieve the life that we truly desire. Wish you all the best, health, happiness, success, and prosperity. All the best to my celestial brothers and sisters.